Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice, iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the mobile office package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver with your recovery hooks. We do get your backup camera with a lovely Pro Access tailgate. Allows you to have easier access to your bed. You get the bed liner as well. Pro Power onboard. You can turn your lights on or off. Hooks and doodads for all your necessities. And your tailgate is going to be fully powered, so we'll go up and down automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front. Grip running boards on either side, with blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated with side view camera. Moving to the front, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and yellow leather interior. Plenty of door space in the back here. Floor mats, carpet interior with flat fold storage system. We got cup holders and storage, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt. You can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with the Tremor logo. Phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select. Those collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging with outlets, and it does close. Center console that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop, with your normal storage below. We have our drive modes with rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with dual climate up front, heated and cooling front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, and on the dash, 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, auto stop auto start with If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA61813, and you can head out on a PG Ford or give us a call.